Good morning dear students, welcome to our maths class. Today we will be continuing chapter number 4, multiplication. Multiplying by a one digit multiplier. What is a multiplier? A number which multiplies the other number, that is the multiplier. Here the multiplier is 4 and this 4 it is one digit. So I will be telling you how to multiply using one digit multiplier. I have written here a number that is 5873. We have to multiply this with 4. So how will we be multiplying it? What are the steps for the multiplication? First, this 4 we have to multiply the 4 with 3. 3 is there at the ones place. This is the ones, tens, hundred and thousand place. First we will be multiplying the ones place. Then we will be multiplying 4 with the tens place. Then we will be multiplying hundreds and then at the end thousand place. We will be moving in this direction. And the number which comes on to carry, we will be carrying it forward. So let us start now. First, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So 12, you will be writing 2 here and 1 will move to the carry at the tens place. Here the 1 will move to the carry. Now 4 sevens are, if I multiply 4 with 7, so 4 sevens are 28. Yes, 4 sevens are 28 and this 1 plus 1, so it is equal to 29. So I will be writing 9 here and 2 will move to carry at the next hundreds place. Now next is you have to multiply 4 multiplied by 8. So if you multiply 4 with 8, 4 8s are 32. Yes, 4 8s are 32 and 2 is there at carry. So plus 2. So it is 34. So I will be writing 4 here and this 3 will move to the carry. Now 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20 and here carry is there. So 20 plus 3 is 23. So here it comes 23. So in this way we have to multiply the one digit by using one digit multiplier. Now next we will be doing how to multiply if the multiplier instead of one digit it is two digit with a two digit multiplier. Let us take another example using a two digit multiplier. I am writing the number 157. We have to multiply 157 with 39. 39. Two digits are there. So how will we be multiplying this number? First, we have to multiply 9. We will be multiplying 9. 157 multiplied by 9. In the first step, we will be multiplying. In the first step, we will be multiplying 157 with the 9. And in the second step, what we will be doing? We will be multiplying 157 with the, here what is there? 3. And after the 3, one digit is there. So we will be putting 10. Why 10? Because after the 3, one digit is there. So I have put here 10. So in the first step, we will be multiplying this 157 with 9. And in the second step, we will be multiplying 157 with 30. Why I have put 0 here? Because after 3, one digit is there. So 10 I have put here. Now let us continue, and at the end what we have to do? We have to add After multiplying this, a number will come. Here also multiplying this, a number will come. So we have to add this 2 number. At the end, we have to add the 2 numbers. So now let us do. First is 9. So 9 multiply by 7. If you multiply 9 with 7, so 9 sevens are 63. 3 I am writing here. 6 will move to the carry. Now 9 fives are 45, and 45 plus 6 is equal to 51. So 1 I am writing here, and 5 will move to the carry. 9 multiplied by 1 is 9, and 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. In the next step, we have to multiply 157 with the 30. So here 0, or you can leave the space blank here. Then you have to multiply 3 with 7. So 3 sevens are 21. I am just rubbing this number. 3 sevens are 21. So 1 I am writing here, 2 it moves to the carry. 3 fives are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 7 I am writing here. 1 it moves to carry. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now at the last is our third step. In the third step, we have to add the 2 numbers. These are these 2 numbers. So we'll be adding this 2 numbers. So if we add these 2 numbers, we'll be getting here 3, 2. Next is 4 plus 7 is 11, and 1 is carry here. So 4, 5 and 6. This is our answer. In this way, we have to multiply if the multiplier is 2-digit number. Again I am repeating, if the 2-digit multiplier is there, what we have to do? First, this number 157, that is this number 157, will be multiplying this whole number with this 9 at the ones place. After this multiplication is done, in the second step, we will be multiplying this number with the 3, and here 0 will come, that is 30. And in the last step, we will be adding these 2 numbers. Now let us do some word problem based on this multiplication. Now students, for today you will be practicing the 1 and the 2-digit multiplier. How to multiply using the 1 and the 2-digit. Now next is the word problem, that is 97% contributed rupees 105. 97, there are 97 persons who contributed, 97% contributed rupees 105 each for a party. Find the total amount collected. You have to find the total amount. So how will be doing this question? First is contribution of one person. What is the contribution for one person? Contribution for one person. The one person has given how much money? That is rupees 105. One person has contributed 105 money. And how many persons are there total? 97. So what will be the contribution of 97 persons? We have to find the contribution of 97 persons. So it would be rupees 105 multiplied by 97. Now we have to multiply 105 with 97. So let us carry the multiplication. I will be doing the multiplication. I am just rubbing this. Again, let us read the question, then we will be doing the multiplication. In the question it is given that there are 97 person and the 97 person they contributed rupees 105 in the party. So we have to find how much total money is contributed by this 97 person. We have to find the total money. So the contribution of one person has given 105 rupees. So how much money has 97% given? That is, we have to multiply 105 with 97. So I have discussed how to multiply using a 2-digit multiplier. So it would be clear for you. Again I am discussing how will be multiplying 105 and the 97. So first, in the first term, what we have to do? Here in the first term, we will be multiplying 105 with 7. In the second term, we will be multiplying 105 with 19. And in the third term, we will be adding the two numbers. Now let us start. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. So here is 0. So we will be writing it as it is. 7 5s are 35. 7 1s are 7. Now here, then next we have to multiply the 90. So I am putting 0 here. Then 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. Here is 0. So I am writing 45 like this. And 9 1s are 9. And at the end we will be adding these two numbers. That is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 7 plus 4 is 11. And 9 plus 1 is 10. So total 10,185 money is contributed by 97 persons. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day. Keep practicing maths. More you practice, more the perfection will come. Have a nice day.